Look at this. There's 2,033 people in my trading group, and we're killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys to smash that like button for me. Trying to get a like spike going, 1,000 likes a video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, why not? If you're trying to make a ton of money in cryptocurrency and completely change your life, I'm going to keep you up to date daily. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment box. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Green day. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $255 billion. Bitcoin jumped up to 9160. This is the Bitcoin 12-hour chart we've been talking about. And remember, we talked about the bulls need to get a bounce here. And for right now, they put in a bounce off this lower trend line. Now the 50 simple moving average is acting as overhead resistance. We did just have this previous bearish cross of the 21 and the 50, which equated to some downside on the last bearish cross. Will this happen or play out here? If 8,500 breaks, expect a move over time to 6,800. Now potentially gearing up for a bullish MACD cross, so could see some continued upside, just depending. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. We talked about this falling wedge yesterday. There's 68% chance of a break to the upside. These falling wedges, they break out higher a good percentage of the time. When they break lower, it's very bad. You get these parabolic moves to the downside when these break lower. So it's definitely extremely bearish because this is a bullish reversal pattern. So target now is 95.50. Bulls need to hold this possible double top confirmation line. If not, move to the downside. 7,000, 6,800s in the cards. This is a Bitcoin CME futures chart, 4-hour chart. Now the CME gap was filled by this move to the upside. Remember, these gaps get filled. You had a previous bullish MACD cross on the 4-hour, as well as some previous hidden bullish divergence, and also the RSI was oversold to show this bounce idea playing out. Now, if you go to the 1-hour chart, what's interesting is you see this previous gap over here was filled. See this price action, this candle came back up. So these unfilled orders were filled here, right? The market makers essentially manipulate the price to make sure that these gaps get filled because there's unfilled orders. That's the idea here. Now, Bitcoin actually printed this new gap on the 1-hour chart, potentially around 89.50. So will Bitcoin revisit this now or later is the question. Theta, here we come. Don't forget, mainnet 2.0. Here it comes. 400% gains out of Theta. Theta network powered by you. What? Blow off top. But I thought the mainnet was launching. What happened? This always happens. Remember, you get these mainnet launches sell off just before the mainnet actually launches. It's buy the rumor, buy the hype, buy the, oh man, the mainnet's coming, the mainnet's coming, the mainnet's coming. Buy the hype, but sell the event, sell the mainnet launch. Everybody's going to take profits. Now you have this huge blow off top. Well, Chris, what's a blow off top, you ask? I posted in group Blow-off tops are chart patterns that shows a steep and rapid increase in the securities price, in this case, cryptocurrency price and trading volume, followed by a steep and rapid drop in the price, usually on significant or high volume as well. The rapid changes indicated by a blow-off top or blow-off move are an exhaustion move. They can be the result of actual news or pure speculation. This happens in all markets: stocks, futures, commodities, bonds, currencies, and crypto. So it's important to understand how mainnet launches work, how these blow-off top works. People take profits. It's what they do. If you don't take your profits, somebody else will. So last night at about 11 p.m., I stated in group, hey, be careful with Theta, T-Fuel. Typically, people are going to take profits prior to the mainnet launch. And they just said, hey, we're launching this. This is going live at 2 p.m. This is it. Mainnet launch, sell signal. Shout out to this person in my trading group. He said, your videos, along with the setup tips, helped with the successful Theta short today. 138% profit. Boom, he said. Thank you, CBC. Binance just added the ability to short Theta like a day or two ago, like knowing, hey, here's what's up. We're going to get a ton of volume of people shorting Theta with this Theta mainnet launch sell-off. I want to give you a couple shout outs to my trading group. This gentleman stated after one day he joined the group, he made $4,000. He says, so I guess this is a better strategy. Next person, I regret I didn't join months ago. I made one trade based on my teachings and I got 94% gains. Next person, IBC, I'm up $29,000 in 3 weeks because of you. I can't believe how much I've learned. Also, I want you guys to understand these alt BTC pairs. When Bitcoin is moving and volatile, the alt BTC pairs are tough to trade. They get wrecked when Bitcoin pumps. They have to obviously outperform Bitcoin in order to print green candles on their alt BTC charts, right? So if Bitcoin goes up 5%, all the alt BTC pairs have to go up 5% just to move sideways. So then they have to outperform Bitcoin's 5% in order to print out green candles on the chart. So what you see on Binance is there's still a ton of green altcoins, double-digit green altcoins, but not nearly as many as there were before Bitcoin started moving higher. And it's going to take Bitcoin to consolidate, Bitcoin to settle down, and then these altcoins potentially will continue to pop. There's quite a few key ideas that if you understand in this market, you are going to make life-changing money, period. Like you've got to get down like some of these nuances that occur in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's a puppet master. This doesn't exist in traditional markets. So obviously there's still news pumps and whatnot, but cryptocurrency is different. But once you get it down, life-changing money. Now, to be fair, Theta, they had this huge news with Google Cloud joining the Theta network, seemingly large, big, booming news. Theta's up 400%. Remember, we were buying Theta way down here at 1,500 Satoshis. And you can see Theta ran up 400% gains. Quite a few more mainnet launches coming. Ethereum BTC is a good indicator as far as what to expect for these altcoins, these alt BTC pairs, especially the large caps. Right now, you've got a bearish head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so head and shoulders break to the downside. The possibility as far as like these altcoins moving lower is in the cards based on this idea. Coinbase, high profile acquisition shows Bitcoin demand from institutions is surging. We've got 18 to 24 months of bull market coming ahead of us. They're ready. They got to put things in place to make sure that they can take on the amount of institutional investors that are going to jump right into the market. What's important to remember is, yes, Bitcoin could still pull back, but we've got an amazing, epic run ahead of us. Goldman Sachs doesn't like Bitcoin. Sad. So we talked about this Goldman Sachs call. This is a client call. Goldman Sachs is going to talk about gold, Bitcoin, and they went through a lot of different things. It's like the panic situation in the economy. They really analyzed everything in this PDF that I found, but they were not big on Bitcoin. They went through and they called cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, not an asset class. They said it doesn't generate cash flow like bonds, doesn't generate any earnings through exposure to global economic growth, doesn't provide consistent diversification, given their unstable correlations. I mean, yeah, okay, crypto's unstable, right? But there's amazing, epic upside. You just got to sell the top. They talk about how it's got global historical volatility of 76%. On one day, March the 12th, Bitcoin fell 37% in one day. This scares institutional investors. They're working with other people's money. They're scared of losing other people's money. You go and you invest in something, you take a loss with your money, that's one thing. But when you're investing other people's money, that's your livelihood. They would rather invest in safer, less volatile markets. And they said it's not a suitable investment for our clients. So they weren't bullish on Bitcoin. Now, to be fair, let's be fair now. If my replacement was coming in, I probably wouldn't hype them either. Short the banks, choose plan B, buy Bitcoin. That's all I'm saying about this, man. It gets me fired up. Banks. However, it's all about timing. You could buy anything, any crypto in this market. If you time the bottom and the top using technicals, you will make a ton of money in this market. Make sure. Buy low, sell high. Ethereum 2.0 brand new testnet has been launched. Is this the last one before Beacon Chain? We want Ethereum 2.0. Hurry up. They're trying to do what that's never been done before. Ethereum 2.0 staking is coming. So someone signed 145 Bitcoin addresses calling Craig Wright a fraud. Those addresses contain $64 million worth of Bitcoin that was mined in 2009, 2010. A person last week said if they're able to move 50 Bitcoins and sign these transactions, then they have the ability to potentially still move or sell this Bitcoin. A little bit of cryptocurrency FUD. As a company, Enjin has evolved in tandem with Minecraft, and they're proud to take the next step in the parallel evolution. This is Enjin Minecraft. It's their blockchain Minecraft plugin. It's now live. Now you can integrate, use, and trade blockchain game items in your server. Cryptocurrency and gaming. I'm so excited for this. It's a perfect use case. If you guys like the content that I create on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.